Network QuickBooks POS. If you are running a network of multiple cash registers, you will definitely want a POS system that will centralize the data from all the cash registers to a central server and vice versa. Well, you can use QuickBooks POS for that. Installing and using it is a breeze, even if you plan to install it to number of computer-based registers in a network. Assuming that you have enough client licenses, validation codes for each computer, and the server machine with the server license, you can easily manage the task. Here are the steps. Install the server. The QuickBooks POS server comes already with one client license. So, if you need more computers with it, you will have to call up Intuit and order more. They will provide you with the license numbers and validation codes for each purchased client license. Once you have all that, the first step will be to install the server. Log on to the workstation that will serve as the server and insert the installation disk. As it detects the CD, it will open up the installation options. Choose to install the QuickBooks POS server. Follow the instructions until the installation completes. Once it completes, reboot your server. Run the server and leave that for now. Install the clients. Start with one computer first. Bear in mind that every computer you will be installing the QuickBooks client in should be properly networked with the QuickBooks service physically. So, each computer must be connected to a network switch connected to a router. Assuming that this is no problem, proceed to the client installation. Insert the installation CD and choose to install the QuickBooks POS client. Follow the instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation finishes, restart the machine. Run the QuickBooks client software and enter the validation code when it requests for it. Once it confirms the validation code, you are done with this particular machine. Repeat the same process for all the other machines. Sync your clients with the server. Once you complete installing the QuickBooks POS client on all the relevant machines, you will now move back to the QuickBooks server. Open the application and select the Manage My Licenses tab. On the screen, select the Sync License Data Online option and it will validate and sync all of the clients you installed with Intuit's server. This will now complete the validation of all your installations. Now, your system is ready to use. It is important that your network is connected to the Internet in order to complete the validation of all your QuickBooks client installation. Without this, you will not be able to fully use each machine with the QuickBooks POS system. To contact Intuit for any problems or for purchasing more licenses, simply dial 800-316-1379. You can make the purchases by providing your company information as well as the details of your credit card. You may also purchase the licenses online through the Intuit website. There you have it, all you need to know to install and network your machines with the QuickBooks POS system installed. Easy as pie, right?